In today's video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to colour your hair at home. Hi, I'm Leonie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing all of my top tips and tricks for colouring your hair at home. I've been colouring my hair for years and I just find it really quick and easy, not to mention super affordable. In today's video I'm using Schwartzkopf's Colour Specialist Hair Colour. Now I find this one really good. It delivers, it covers all of my greys really well. It's easy to use and it contains hyaluronic acid, which sounds scary, but it's not. It's actually a great product to help moisturize and protect your hair. And it also contains Omegaplex, which is nourishing as well. So I've had great success with this in the past, and I'm just going to walk you through how I do it and share some of my top tips and tricks with you. So if you'd like to see how easy it is to color your hair at home, then just keep watching.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make it worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the...
Okay, you're gonna have to excuse me because my hair is dirty. I haven't actually washed it for a couple of days, and I generally tend to do that before I colour it. I sometimes have a bit of a sensitive scalp, and so I find that the natural oils from my hair sort of act as a protectant. So whenever I colour my hair, I make sure that it is a little bit dirty, so I haven't actually washed it for a couple of days. The other important thing to do is brush your hair. It just makes sectioning and rinsing out the colour so much easier. So first and foremost, I just give it a decent brush. Okay, so I've got my gloves on. I've also got an old black shirt, and I just use this shirt to colour my hair because it's easy to get off once I've got the colour on, and I don't have to try and get a t-shirt over my head before I have a shower or wash my colour off. So it's kind of handy just to have a cape or an old black shirt. Now sometimes what I do is, depending on how my hair is and how much regrowth I've got, sometimes I just do around my hairline and then down the centre part, which is where I tend to part my hair. But today I'm going to colour it a little bit more because I have got some regrowth coming in throughout sort of different sections as well. So I'll show you how I section my hair. I don't overthink it. I try and make it really simple. So I've just basically parted my hair down the centre, and I tend to just get the first half of it just out of the way like that, so I don't have to sort of worry about it for now. And then I usually just start down the centre. So what I will do is just put some product, and I tend to use a brush too because I find these really handy just to kind of evenly distribute the colour, and it sort of presses the colour into the hair so you don't miss any sections. I also like to sort of hold that front area back and make sure I get enough product around the front, right in here, and you really sort of want to layer it in to where that regrowth is really visible. One thing I didn't talk about is the fact that I use Chapstick, and I have talked about this in videos in the past, and essentially this is a great way of just running some chapstick around your hairline really simply, and what that does is it just prevents the colour clinging to your skin and staining it. So I find that a really useful trick to help stop that staining. So yeah, just try and do some sections here. They don't have to be perfect, as you can see. And then run the product along, and then I just brush it in. Feels nice and cool. And again, just kind of work my way around. And as I said, I have been doing this at home myself for years. So I go to my hairdresser once a year, and he gives me a little bit of lightening, and so I've got the sort of balayage look, which I really like. And then I can just touch up the regrowth myself. And I find having this sort of slightly darker at the roots and lighter, this kind of balayage effect, just makes it really easy for me to redo it at home myself. You can also use your fingers if that's easy too. But I think because my grey is so prominent right around my hairline, I really make sure that I get enough product right there. The other thing I do is clean up as I go with a baby wipe, and that just saves you having to worry about it later on. Okay, so that's kind of that side done.
Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down.
And now I wait for 20 minutes.
Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I love you in the dark. So shine on, gonna lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn, let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I let you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now. So give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind. Close your eyes, follow the.
Okay, so I've just dried my hair. I haven't styled it or done anything special with it, but I just wanted to show you it is super soft and silky. The grey is all gone. I've gone for a slightly deeper colour because it's winter here in New Zealand, and also I just wanted to add a little bit of richness and a little bit of depth at my roots here, which I'm absolutely loving. My hair feels amazing and I'm thrilled with the results. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'd love you to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.